So guys, think yourself, try to think yourself what things it can be. So what thing I'm going to show you, really it's will be surprisingly for you. I'll show you within 2 minutes. First, hello everyone. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you all guys will be good and I am also good right now. As you can see, I'm doing great and hope you people are learning English language great and great way. So my friends, Diwali is coming. Diwali is just on the way, you know. Yes, of course you know. So guys, what preparation have you made for Diwali? And on Diwali, will you works sparkles or fireworks? Comment below this video. Okay, so celebrate Diwali with happily. Okay, so first of all, from my side, happy Diwali to all of you. Okay, second thing, tell me, do you know why Diwali we do celebrate? Of course you know, but let me tell you something about of Diwali. Okay, Diwali is celebrated to mark the victory of our evil and light over darkness. Okay, the most common reason being the return of Lord Shri Ram to Ayodhya after defeating the demon Ravana king. Okay, and second reason is at that day we all do worship goddess Laxmi Pujan, Lakshmi goddess and Ganesh ji. You know, yes. So it's all things we do celebrate on the Diwali. Or you can say worship. So this way you can say we can say Diwali is the symbol of spirituality. So yes, we should celebrate Diwali with happily. Now let me show you what I made it at my house. Maybe you also made it at your home. And I don't know in the city anyone make it or not, but yes, I made it. So my dear friends, I made it a soil house. You know, maybe you would make it in your childhood, but maybe not now, but yes, I made it. Okay, so let me show you, friends. Every year I make it. I make soil house. When Diwali comes, I make it per year until now. Till now. So my friends, see how is this. And friends, I did not have so many things which I would paint to this, but yes, what things I had, I paint by that things. So my dear, tell me by comment below this video how is this. And I would say if you didn't subscribe the channel, so please subscribe and keep